Bitcoin is coiling in its tightest range in months. A big move is statistically approaching. BTC is trading around $63,800, sitting below its key moving averages. Market structure has quietly turned bullish, but we haven't seen a breakout yet. The real story is compression. Bollinger Bands are at their fourth percentile, an exceptionally rare reading. Ticker volume is high, but smart money is short and exchange inflows are rising. Sentiment confirms this caution, with the fear and greed index sitting deep in fear territory at 25. Macro is calm with the VIX falling 12%. But calm alone doesn't create a breakout. Our BTC bot remains cautiously bearish, waiting for a confirmed breakout before changing its view. Follow these signals in real time with our free crypto sentiment dashboard. It's intelligent calm for your crypto portfolio. I'm Eden from Diamond Pigs. I'll see you in the next update.